March you, alright? And guess what? We're not gonna hide nothing. We're gonna do the ultrasound. We're gonna do ultrasound. So we're gonna do ultrasound together. Alright? So you know why everything open alive? Fine. Alright? My baby clothes them now come from Shein Artemu. I'm sure of that. And guess what? The last baby this. So the last baby I go get everything you want. You're glowing, hon. I am. I am. Oh my God. Right? This a baby I go get everything you want. Remember me tell her that. Me I go break this a baby a bar. Pretty, what's up? No, you're too uncute. You're too uncute. Me do YouTube video. Don't do you. Me do YouTube video. You're too wicked and bad. All yesterday, oh you not get the video them on the couples channel? Yeah? Me do video yesterday on the couples channel. Oh God. Don't do me so. Alright, so we're gonna do ultrasound. Guys, we're gonna do ultrasound and we're gonna drop it on the channel to send me a number. Alright, yeah, that me should have do me should give me number. What does a person say? Annie, how are you get? Annie, when you get pregnant? What you say? Hold on there, guys. Let me fix this. All of this is me pop off. Oh, this a ring light here move, so ring light here move. Oh, this a ring light here move, so ring light. What am I do? It stopped this while ago. Yes, restart it. Alright.